Being able to last the distance during sex to fully please our woman in bed is something we men commonly desire. But for some of us, the unfortunate problem of premature ejaculation makes it almost impossible for us to last even a mere 2 minutes before eventually blowing our load. However, that does not mean you will forever be haunted by your inadequacies in the bedroom. Premature ejaculation can actually be stopped completely with the right set of methods. And although most guys are led to believe there are some magic pills out there to help them experience longer-lasting sex, these pills do not usually work. There is a better way to end your premature ejaculation problems for good, which involves reconditioning your mind and body to respond better sexually. Here are 3 amazingly simple tips you can make use of to start making sex last longer every single night without failure. 1. Be more sensual to her. The best thing to do to last a longer time in sex is to reduce the amount of stimulation your penis gets. One way of doing so is to focus less on the actual intercourse session and put in more time and effort in pleasing your woman through foreplay and oral sex. Not only will this help you keep going longer in bed, but also most definitely will leave your woman much more sexually satisfied every time. 2. Change to a better sex position. Another way of making your penis less sexually stimulated during sex is to change the position you make love in. Some positions are more demanding and sexually stimulating to your genitals, while others allow you to remain relaxed and keep your arousals under control. Try having her on top of you while you lie flat on your back. This position is less physically strenuous on your body as well as prevents your male organ from stimulated too quickly to the point of ejaculation. 3. Enhance your sex health nutritionally. Food can make a lot of difference to how your body responds sexually. And feeding yourself with the right nutrients can dramatically improve your stamina level in bed and consequently help you last a longer time in bed. Here's a tip: try including more celery, honey, and walnuts into your daily meals and snacks to experience a genuine boost in your staying power to make sex last longer for you and her, every time.